welcome to New Tech Pro channel. As we promised before, we want to launch and test a 1600 watt subwoofer for you in this video. Okay, let's go to test. I also use a very high quality Sony camera to show you the slow motion moment. And we also have an interesting surprise. In this video, I want to use a glass of milk to show you the vibration of the subwoofer. Okay, for better visibility, I try to mount the subwoofer horizontally. Okay, as you can see, we use a very powerful amplifier module here. We also use a 48 volt power supply. And finally, our main piece, the low pass filter for audio system subwoofer. First of all, I connect the low pass filter power supply. You can see, turn it on. Now I turn it on power supply and amplifier. Okay, that's good. You can see here, power supply and amplifier is turned on. Let's go to test. Well, friends, before playing music, please be sure to use headphone. Okay, let's go to play music. Let's try glass of milk. That's good. Let's try again. Play music. Wow! Okay, my friends, let's try again. Wow. Swear my- Wow! Okay, thank you, my friends. Please subscribe New Tech Pro channel and like this video. Thank you very much, and goodbye.